Hey guys, welcome back to the CJ Pony Parts YouTube channel. I'm Morgan, and today we're going to be installing the JLT Air Intake Kit on our 2024 Mustang GT. This kit comes with open air box and some of the biggest filters we've seen so far. And now let's get them on the car. Now we're going to start the removal process, and it's not too long of a job. First up, you'll remove your factory airbox cover. You'll loosen these hose clamps and pull them off. Next up, you'll be removing these lines. I'm kind of taking a small flathead screwdriver to pry this up and get it out. Next up, you'll want to do this one on the driver's side. You'll remove the map sensor harness. You'll also want to remove the harness from the tube, and then you'll repeat this step on the other side. Next up, you'll remove this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt from the air intake box. For the passenger side, you'll have to remove this box, and there's a little metal and plastic bracket that you put the screwdriver in between, and that allows you to pull it up. And then you kind of just tuck that out of the way. Now you should be able to fully remove the whole tube and filter. And then to get this box out, it kind of just pops out. So one of the first steps is to put the air filter into the intake box. And a little trick is to fold in like the inner flange right there. Okay, like that. And then you'll go nose in to the corner of the air box. And then you'll kind of pull it through. Then we'll attach the fender seal. Now we'll install these into the intake tube. And now you'll install your MAF bracket with this down first, and then the plastic piece over it. And then we'll stick in our air sensor. And then we'll screw it down with the provided bolts. And now it's time to install the airbox into the vehicle. Now you'll reinstall the factory bolt. Now we're going to install the coupler onto the throttle body. Now it's time to install the intake tube. After the tube is back on and your hose clamps are secure, you'll then plug back in your map sensor and your hose. And now you'll do that on the other side. And while I'm getting this side in, you guys should go to cjponyparts.com/giveaways to enter one of our many giveaways. Sometimes we have $1,000 gift cards, parts from our favorite vendors, or maybe even the kits you see us install. So I'll get this done and I'll see you guys in a second. Now that that's installed, let's see how it sounds. And that is it for today's install. I think this was one of the most simpler installs I've done on an air intake kit, and it sounds so loud inside the car. I think we're probably gonna leave this kit on, so we'll maybe do a review a couple months down the road and see how well it's held up. But so far, I love it. All right, so I'm gonna go take this out for a drive, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.